start our class. Okay, so let's see here. Today I'm going to tell two problems. So first problem is there are 240 soldiers in a battalion. How many soldiers are there in 172 such battalions? Each of them has a equal number of soldiers. See here, there are 248 soldiers in a battalion. Battalion means a group of soldiers. Okay, so 248 soldiers in a battalion. In this battalion, 248 soldiers. This type of battalions are we have 172 battalions. 172 battalions. So in each battalion we have equal number of soldiers. Means in this battalion 248 soldiers. Like this 248 soldiers, 248 soldiers, 248. Like this we have 178 such battalions. How many soldiers? How many soldiers? He is asking for how many soldiers. He is asking for how many soldiers. He is given one battalion and saying 248 soldiers in that. And he is asking for 172 such battalions. How many soldiers we have? So he gave only one battalion. He is asking for 172. What we do? 1 to multiple. 1 to multiple means we have to multiply here. Okay. So see here, number of soldiers in a battalion. How many soldiers in a battalion is equal to 248. 248. Then we have how many battalions we have? We have 172 such battalions. Therefore, number of battalions equal to 172. Now we are going to find the number of soldiers. Number of soldiers in 172 battalions. Therefore, number of soldiers in 172 battalions equal to 172 into 248. Okay, means we have to multiply these two numbers. Then we got the number of soldiers in 172 battalions. So I am multiplying here 175 into 248. So 8 2s 16, 1 carry. 8 7s 40, 8 7s are 56, 56 plus 1 57. So yeah, 5 carry now. 8 1s are 8, 8 plus 5 30. 1376. So I am leaving this place and now multiplying with 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 7s are 28. So 2 carry here. 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 2 6. Now I am leaving these two places and multiplying with 2. 2 2s 4, 2 7s are 40. So 4 I am writing here and 1 carry. 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 3. Now I am adding these three numbers. So 6 here, 7 plus 8 15, 1 carry, 1 plus 3 4, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 4 16, again 1 carry, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 6 8, 8 plus 4 12. So 1 carry here, 1 plus 3 4. So how many soldiers we have? 42,656 soldiers. 42,656 soldiers. Okay, so total number of soldiers in 172 battalions are equal to 42,656 soldiers. Okay, children. Now see second question. Government distributed 3,46,528 rupees equal to 136 families towards a cyclone relief fund. How much money did each family get? See here, government distributed a relief fund. Okay, relief fund of amount 3,46,528 rupees to 136 families. Okay, he is asking how much money did each family get. He is asking for one family how much money get. So here he gave 136 families got 3,46,528 rupees. Now he is asking for one family got how much amount. Means he gave multiple number. And he is asking for only one number. So here we have to divide. 1 to multiple means we have to multiply. Multiple to 1 means we have to divide. So see here. The amount distributed equal to how much amount common distributing? 3 lakhs 46,528. 3 lakhs 46,528 rupees. Okay, this amount is distributed by government. Number of families. So how many families they are distributing? To 136 families. Number of families equal to 136 families. Okay, so amount distributed, we want amount distributed to only one family. So that's why amount distributed to one family equal to 3,46,528 divided by 136. If you divide this, we get the answer. Okay, so divide 3,46,528 by 136. So see here 136 in take this 3 digits. If you take these 3 digits, it becomes 346. It is 2 times. Take 2 times. If you take 3 times, it is greater than this value. That's why I am taking 2 times. 2 6 are 12. 2 3 are 6. 6 plus 1 7. And 2 1s are 2. 6 minus 2 4. And 34 minus 27 equal to 7. Okay, 74 I got as remainder. If you subtract it, then I am taking this 5 to here, it becomes 745. Okay, in 745 I take it as 6 times. If you take it 6 times, it becomes greater value. That's why I am taking 5 times. Okay, 5 6 are 30, 3 carry. 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 3, 18, 1 carry, 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 1, 6. Okay, 680. Subtract chaste 5 minus 0, 5. 74 minus 68. We have 6 and see here 14 minus 8 equal to 6, 65. Okay, 65. So here I am taking 2 and it is 652. Okay, so I am taking 4 times now. If you take 5 times, you get 680. So it is greater value. That's why I am taking 4 times. 4 6 are 24. 2 carry. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2 14. 1 carry. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. 544. Subtract change. So here 52 minus 44 equal to 8. And 6 minus 5 1. 108 is the remainder. So here I have 8. So I am taking 8 to here, carry. So 1088, 1808, 1088. So it is 8 times I think. 8 6 are 48. So 4 carry. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 8, 28. 2 carry. 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 2 10. So 1088 minus 1088 we got remainder 0. Where we got the remainder 0, then only the quotient is the answer. So how much amount they are distributed to each family? 2,548 rupees. 2,548 rupees. Okay, this much amount they are distributing to each and every family. So there are 136 families. So 136 into 2,548 equal to 3,46,528. Okay, children. Okay, children, see here question number 7 and question number 8. So here read the question carefully and think what in each way we have to solve the question. Okay, read carefully and do these two problems, 7th question and 8th question, 7th and 8th. Okay, children, bye, see you in next class.